Hello my card making friend. Welcome to this edition of Paper and Joy, where we are making a card with something you might not often see on cards, which is a wax seal. So this is what the design looks like. So it's got both wax seal and ribbon feature, and in the inside, so it's sort of a bit more of the decorative paper there. Alright, so let's go and see what's in your kits and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get your card base and envelope, sentiments for you to choose. So there's 4 different ones today. So happy birthday, thank you, best wishes, or for you. A template sheet to use to cut out your floral paper or decorative paper. A wax seal and double-sided tape sticker so we can adhere that, and a piece of ribbon. You will also need a scrap piece of paper for gluing, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a pencil. Alright, let's get crafting. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is choose and cut out our sentiment. So grab your scissors and decide which of the sentiments you are going to choose. I might do thank you for this one. And we're going to cut inside the printed black line, so we don't want to see the outline. So if you can get it nice and straight. So take your time. And one last piece. All right, there we go. So we have our sentiment piece. Next, what you'll need is your template sheet, and we're going to cut all of these out, but you can cut outside the line for these ones. So all 3 pieces need to be cut out, and I'll see you when you're done. Okay, so now you've got your 3 pieces. You'll also need to grab now your decorative paper piece and a pencil, and we're going to trace, so turn this one over, we're going to trace these and cut them out. Now, they do all fit. And if we put them on the edges like this, we can save some cutting. So, all right, so this one in the bottom corner, trace around. This one in the side corner. And this one from the top corner. There we go. Okay, and then grab your scissors and start cutting them out, and I'll see you when you're done. Okay, so there are the 3 decorative paper pieces cut out. Now it's time for gluing. So grab your gluing sheet and your glue stick, and also your card base. Okay, so the first one we might do is this piece, which is for the inside. So this is going to go down the bottom. There's a little bit of overhang, so we're going to, when we stick it down, start from the folded edge, and then we're going to just trim that later. Okay, and if your pattern piece has an up and a down, just be conscious of that. I think my florals are going all over the place, so not really. All right. nice bit of glue right to the edges. And as I said, start from the folded edge and go to the outer edge. I'm just going to show you if I detail if I can. It's going to pick up, there we go. So you can see it's got like quite a thick fold, so try to go to the right hand side of where you can see the fold mark is. All right, now onto the front. So this piece is going to be down the bottom and have our sentiment on it, so we can stick that on. So starting from the inside, working your way to the outer edges. And similarly, we're going to stick from the folded edge. And this just lines up bottom edge as well. A little bit of overhang too, so we can neaten that up when everything is dry. Okay. Now, this is our only sort of little bit of a tricky bit. This one goes up in the top corner here at a diagonal. Oops. And just to give you a guide, this corner here lines up on the folded edge, and then you want to have it up so that you can't see that top corner of the card peeking out, so that needs to cover. Okay. Now you can sort of maneuver the angle a little bit if you'd like it. I think I want it a bit lower down. So there we go, something like that, because we're going to have our wax seal in the top corner here. All right, so let's glue that on. Oops. All right, how'd you go? Tricky bit done. There you go. So corner covered, and that corner just down on the fold there. All right, we can do the sentiment now. So this is going to go in this bottom piece and just slightly sort of on the right hand side. So if you can have, actually you might, if that's dry, a little bit, I might just trim that off to give a better perspective. So turn your card over and just trim that one. Because I sort of want the same sort of distance from the top, bottom and the right hand edge there. Okay, grab some glue. And pop that on. There we go. Okay. And just for ease of handling, we might do all that trimming now. So the inside piece and your funky little diagonal shape. There we go. So that's looking nice. Can't pick up my rubbish. Okay. Now you can get your wax seal and the double-sided tape that came with that. Now I've got mine sort of sitting there. This is where I'm going to put mine, but if you like, you can choose another place to put it. Bear in mind you've also got the option to put the piece of ribbon on. So I'm going to put mine sort of at a different angle there, but you might want to put it directly in line with the diagonal piece. You could put it down here and then have the wax seal here maybe. So yeah, use a bit of your creativity and do what you think looks nice. But when you're ready to put your wax seal on, so this is just double-sided tape. Gotta find it. It's sometimes a bit difficult. I hope you can see that. So just make sure that it is coming off. So I've just made sure that that's coming off with that piece. So you can see that there. And then pop it on your wax seal just in the centre there. Give it a nice press. And then peel off the second layer, making sure that your sticky is on your wax seal. Okay, now it does have a design on it, which I hope you've noticed, a little sort of foliage design, so pop it up the right way. This is obviously the bottom. Not so nice to have it sideways or upside down. There we go. I'm going to put mine there. And then you can glue your ribbon and pop that on as well. So a nice bit of glue so that this sticks well. And again, we're going to trim the edges. So I'm just starting mine at the base of that piece and then just having it at a slightly different angle. Okay, and then when it's dry, we'll gently cut so we don't want the ribbon to fray. So make sure you do have nice sharp scissors for this bit particularly. And a nice sort of even cut. Try not to move the scissors too much to prevent excess fraying. Hopefully no fraying. All right, so there we go. A nice floral card or decorative card with a wax seal and some ribbon detail. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.